Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and everybody is good. Spring is here, the weather's getting warmer, so it inspired me to create this fun, vibrant, colorful eyeshadow look. I'm using the IBY Beauty Enlighten EyeShadow palette. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching, and of course hit that subscribe button and join all the beauty fun. So we're going to go ahead and prime my face using the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This stuff is so good. It feels like you're putting on moisturizer. It just feels really good on my skin, especially since I have dry skin. It feels very, very good. So here's the star of today's video. This is the Enlighten Eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the color Dragon Fruit, which is a nice pink color. And I'm going to place that on the crease of my lid. And I'm just packing that on, sweeping motions. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go ahead and buff that out to take out any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to grab this color called Spa Day, and that's going to go on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just using a pencil brush to pack that on. And just using a nice fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to just buff that into the pink shade. And next I'm just going to clean up the lid, and I'm going to use my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I'm going to grab this color called Third Eye, and that I'm going to pack on my inner corner. And next I'm using my Holy Grail liquid eyeliner, which is the Tarte Cosmetics matte liquid liner, and I'm going to use this to create a nice wing. And next I'm just applying some lashes from Battington Beauty, and these are in the Harlow 3D Silk lashes. So far, so good. And I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. And next I'm going to use the Farsali liquid glass drops. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that pretty much all over my face. And next I'm going to color correct a little bit with the Dragun Beauty color corrector. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation. I'm using the Tarte Foundcealer foundation, and I'm in the shade 44S, Tan Sand. And I'm just putting on some more concealer, and again this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm the shade Tan. And for setting powder, I'm using the Pretty Bulgur Cosmetics, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. And for contour and stuff, I'm using the Doll 10 Complete Face Contour Palette. I'm mixing both shades Vacay Vibes and Sculpted. And I'm going to put that on the hollows of my cheeks for the contour goodness. And for blush, I'm using the blush shade Caught in the Act. And for highlight, the shade is called Oh That Glow Though. And for lips, this is the MAC lip pencil in the shade Spice. And for lipstick, I'm using the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and the name is so tiny that I'll just insert it because I can't read it. Ugh, my hair. I couldn't find my hair clip, so it looks like a hot mess. Don't mind me. But my face is good though. Yeah, so here we are at the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun creating colorful eyeshadow looks. I definitely enjoyed it. Like I said, I felt inspired. The weather's just getting so good outside, and spring just brings out something in you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media at MakeupPixie, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.